Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, let's create a beautiful vertical morph transition effect in PowerPoint. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and insert a rectangle shape. Next, hold down Ctrl and drag the shape to the right to duplicate it. Repeat this step to create a second duplicate. Once you have the shapes, select them all and group them together. Adjust their positions to fit neatly on the slide. Right-click the center shape, go to Format Shape, and choose Picture or Texture Fill. Insert an image of your choice to make it stand out. For the left shape, change its fill color to something that complements your design. Do the same for the right shape but choose a different color to add variety. Then, add a text box and type in your desired text to complete the slide layout. First, duplicate the slide. On the duplicate, move the image upwards, and adjust the two shapes downwards. Then, return to the first slide and reposition the shape slightly to enhance the flow. Duplicate the second slide again. And this time, move the image downwards while adjusting the two shapes upwards. Duplicate the slide once more. On this final slide, position the image and the shapes at the center of the slide. Now, click on the image, go to the Fill option, and select Clipboard to insert your image. Once that's done, select all the shapes on the slide. Next, head over to the Transitions tab to add the finishing touch. Finally, preview your animation in Presenter View to see the seamless effect in action. And that's it. Creating a vertical morph transition effect in PowerPoint is that simple. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials from Slide Egg. See you in the next video.